Prison birds rejected sunflower seeds.
All right, so there aren't any eggs yet, but there's always activity. Like every morning, it's activity. It's actually a feather right there. If you can see that, that's a bird's feather. So they're in and out of this guy every morning, and it is crazy. But I put out 20 sunflower seeds. You can see the seeds right there. It's actually 13 now. I don't think they ate the other 7 though. I think they might have just failed. So they're not really interested in sunflower seeds, which is kind of surprising to be birds. But you guys like, follow, and keep it going. And we're going to go live once the eggs are here.